Hi. So right now I want to show you a CLI tool called Qleaner that helps you manage your React project. So let's say in a situation where you build a project and you're probably in the end phase where you want to deploy it and you want to test it out and see do I have any unused code, or do I have anything that is within my code base that might not be very useful when it comes to the deployment phase, because you don't want to push a lot of code that will just be boilerplate. So what we do is we have this tool called Qleaner, and how you install it is by just doing an npm install global, and then you type the word Qleaner, and then once you do that, automatically Qleaner will be installed in your machine. The current version that upon this recording is version 1.1 around 1.0 or something, so or 111. So let me just get straight to it and how we do it. So let's say we're in we have gone directly to our project, which is maybe the Node app React project manager master, and we want to do a few things. So for this project, doesn't have any images, so I'm not going to take you through the image section, but I'm going to show you how to do it through the code aspect. So the first thing you need to do is make sure you're in that project, then type out the npm package, and then type out init. So once you do this, it will create for you a config file. So within that config file, there are a few things that you need to have made sure that you've done, but one of them is just setting up on what to be included, what to be excluded, etc. But I'll just take you through on some of the things that it does. So let's do a simple scan. So I would like to tell Qleaner scan my files. So scan my project directory. So according to this project, all my code is stored within the source folder. So it's supposed to help you scan React projects for now. So we're going to do a scan. So it's going to do a scan, check, and yeah, and it's done. So once that has finished, usually the next thing you can do, it hasn't found any empty code or whatever. So what we do is just do a Qleaner, and then we can do summary, right? So we always run a summary after a scan. So you scan, do our first scan, then check summary. Summary will tell you how many total files, like just the overall general overview of the project. And then once you've done that, we can check, do I have any large, too big files, right? So yeah, so you list for you top 10 code files, because they're above your threshold. So for mine they're very light, so 2.5 kbs are very little code, easily manageable. And another thing you can do is run a summary on depth. So what does that mean? To check on code hotspots, code dependencies, so which components have the do import a lot, right? So we have Node app, which imports like over the app, the JSX imports around 5 built-in projects, not the dependencies, but mostly your created components. And then we have the ones that are light, meaning they could import one or nothing. So the message, so these are very useful when you need to determine whether certain components are really important for the project. So this is just really good for cleaning up. And yeah, that's it for the project, the demo.